Today's show is sponsored by Eichler Flames, located at 282 East Pivot Point Road, Perry, Indiana. Contact them at 812-723-3633.
PHS News Today for Tuesday, January 8th. Drama Club will be hosting a dance workshop this Thursday after school backstage. Come join them if you're interested. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paoli.media at paoli.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Tuesday Trivia. We will ask you a question and you have to tell us the correct answer. Here's the question. Mrs. Wishart's classes are reminded that their mini lessons are due in classroom by 8:20 a.m. on Thursday. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Last night, boys junior high basketball, 7th grade won 37-25 and 8th grade won 48-24. Tonight, boys C team is playing Mitchell at home starting at 6. Boys junior high basketball is away tonight against Springs Valley, also starting at 6. Girls junior high basketball will be headed to Orleans. Boys wrestling will be hosting West Washington School tonight. Come support all your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as we go through your day today, there are chances of rain, as all that rain has passed since yesterday. As we head through your week, we do have some slight chances of rain heading into the end of your week. For your weather today, we have a high of 58 and a low of 41. Heading through your week on Wednesday, we have a high of 43 and a low of 30. And on Thursdays, temperatures will start dropping a little bit with a high of 38 and a low of 26. Back to you.
Congratulations to Audrey Manchett for winning today's trivia question. The answer was A. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.